on the 5th day of the 5th month of the Chinese calendar. As summer approaches, we welcome Dragon Boat Festival. On this day, thunderous beats of drums on dragon boats echo through the air. The rich aroma of zongzi, or sticky rice dumplings, wafts through the streets, and the scent of mugwort embodies an ancient wisdom rooted in the harmony between humans and nature. These cultural memories that have been passed down by the Chinese people for over 2 millennia can be experienced at every corner. Hanging mugwort, wearing sachets and drinking realgar wine. These customs, with over 2,000 years of history, originate from the ancient Chinese observations of the midsummer season. People of antiquity noticed that, during the 5th month of the Chinese calendar, rising heat and humidity created conditions ripe for diseases. To ward off plagues and evil influences, they developed customs to repel insects, prevent illness, and purify their surroundings. These traditions not only reflect the development of ancient medicine, but also highlight people's enduring desire for health and safety. During Dragon Boat Festival, the zesty zongzi on the dining table carries a deep sentiment, love for both family and country. According to records from the Southern dynasty, Qu Yuan, unwilling to part with his homeland, drowned himself in the Miluo River. Then, people threw rice into the river to protect his remains from fish and shrimp. Over time, this act evolved into the tradition of wrapping glutinous rice in bamboo leaves to create zongzi, and became a symbolic ritual, encapsulating Qu Yuan's patriotic spirit, which has been passed down through generations. The earliest zongzi was simple, made by wrapping glutinous rice in bamboo or reed leaves and steaming them. Nowadays, distinct regional flavors have emerged. In northern China, there is a preference for sweet zongzi, often filled with dates or honey. In contrast, savory varieties like pork zongzi or those with salted egg yolk have become more popular in the south. Besides savoring cultural delicacies, the festivities also include boat races, known as the Dragon Boat Races, embodying a spirit of unity and determination. Some trace the tradition back to sacrificial rituals of the pre-Qin period, while others believe, like eating zongzi, it originated as a tribute to Qu Yuan. Regardless of its origin, dragon boat racing over time has evolved into a competitive sport involving nationwide participation. Besides honoring the ancient sages, it has also become a dynamic and lively centerpiece of the festival. Watching the dragon-headed boats rise proudly, cutting through waves that have rolled for millennia, the scene is more than just a competition. It is an ancient dialogue between humanity and the rivers. The sounds of gongs, drums, and cheers merge into a powerful symbol of unity, while the synchronized strokes of the paddles continue to write a poetic tale of unwavering determination. The lively and joyous atmosphere of Dragon Boat Festival represents the unbroken vitality of a tradition that has flourished for thousands of years. During the Tang and Song dynasties, the festival gradually turned into a vibrant carnival, with folk celebrations becoming more diverse. People enjoy not only dragon boat races and eating a wide variety of zongzi, but also playful customs like herb gathering contest, a game collecting plants, and tying colorful silk threads. This festive spirit continues to thrive in modern times, breathing new life into ancient traditions. In 2009, Dragon Boat Festival became the first Chinese traditional festival included on UNESCO's representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Today, dragon boat racing is an international sport, drawing participants from all over the world. Children fold colorful paper into dragon boats. Even zongzi itself has embraced innovative recipes and flavors, showcasing the rejuvenation of tradition. This celebration honors ancient sages, seeks health and safety, and cherishes the vibrancy of life. It flourishes as it is shared with the world and passed down through generations.